This application takes 1 full strip and 2 half strips. Position yourself sitting on the edge of a chair with your leg crossed over to put your IT band on stretch. Begin preparing a strip of KT tape by creating a 2-inch anchor. You will place this 2 inches above the hip bone. Pull the backing away from the tape to leave a 2-inch anchor on the other end. Apply a light stretch on the tape with one hand while smoothing it down. Finally, apply the last 2 inches without any stretch. Take a half strip and tear the paper backing in the middle. With moderate stretch, apply the tape directly over your point of pain. Repeat with second half strip over other points of pain. Gently rub over the application to improve adhesion. Find all our products and videos at kttape.com.